Hello and welcome our Gadgets Dev channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 5 cons of AI and cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence made a grand entrance into cyberspace with a promise to enhance how people interact with data. More so, it raises hopes of providing a stronger cybersecurity framework. Several years down the line, people are yet to get the most out of AI technology in cybersecurity. In some instances, it complicates data management and raises some security concerns. In debates concerning cybersecurity, artificial intelligence is almost always mentioned. Tech lovers are thrilled about its potential for securing digital assets in the face of rising cyber attacks. Every other day, there is a cyber attack. As victims of such attacks calculate their losses, others are scrambling to safeguard their digital gates in order to avoid becoming the next victim. Here are the 5 cons of AI and cybersecurity. Big data reliance. One of the functions of AI technology is to master data patterns, which it does through big data analytics. When huge data is removed from the equation, the accuracy of AI becomes doubtful. If you want AI technology to detect cyber risks, predict assaults, and respond appropriately, you must train it with massive amounts of data using machine learning. This may not be a problem for large firms that deal with large amounts of data. AI enthusiasts give the impression that the technology is all-encompassing. But this is not the case because it cannot be employed by those who do not work with large amounts of data. Third-party data exposure. In terms of data privacy, the fewer persons who handle the data, the better. Developing the infrastructure for deploying AI in cybersecurity is neither simple nor inexpensive. It necessitates advanced technological skills, which are synonymous with tech professionals. You may be unable to manage AI technology on your own and will need to rely on third-party vendors. While the vendors in charge of your cybersecurity with AI technology may tell you of their confidentiality, the truth is that you can't trust them. They may use your data for their own purposes, independent of your agreements with them. Hackers' favorite. Computer hackers prioritize keeping up with cybersecurity trends. With artificial intelligence generating so much interest in securing digital assets, they are working around the clock to stay on top of it. While you are busy attempting to improve your security measures with the latest algorithm, thieves have most likely discovered weaknesses in the algorithm. Nobody has a monopoly on AI talents in cybersecurity. There's a power struggle going on between intruders and gatekeepers. If hackers don't beat you to it, they'll be out of business, so they go above and beyond to stay ahead. Inadequate AI cybersecurity understanding. Having a robust cybersecurity structure does not always imply implementing the most recent technology, but rather knowing the technicalities of the technology and employing it effectively. Unless you are a cyber specialist, you may lack the knowledge and skills to fully utilize AI technology. Outsourcing the job to specialized vendors is your best bet. Even if you hire AI pros to manage your cybersecurity, you won't receive the best outcomes until you have a thorough understanding of the algorithm and how it operates. Your vendor's models may not be appropriate for your network, but you wouldn't know if you didn't have the relevant abilities. Expectations that are unrealistic. People get unreasonable expectations as a result of the buzz around AI technology and cybersecurity. There appears to be no reason to be concerned about cyber attacks using AI. However, this is a faulty promise because AI technology is far from flawless. An AI security system designed by humans may contain flaws that go unreported due to the high level of trust people have in it. AI does not provide a magical solution to your cybersecurity issues. Instead, its system can provide you with the information you require to make better judgments and analytics. You must comprehend how AI technology brings value to cybersecurity and how to realize that benefit. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel Gadgets Dev and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Also like and share.